Hi Barbara. So your water softener is full of water and not giving you soft water. So here's what you need to do. This is the controller and this is the regeneration knob on the front here, and you can see at the moment it's in serve, which is what yours should be saying. And what we need to do is turn this around clockwise until we get to brine and rinse. Okay, so turn it to that and you'll hear water whooshing and making funny noises, and then you need to have a look around here. Underneath here you'll see there's a connection. There's a white tube coming from this on yours, and you need to undo this nut. You won't be able to do it by hand, you need to put a spanner on it because mine's already loose. Undo that nut, okay, and then put your finger against this brass fitting and you should hear it sucking, but there should be a suction there. When you put your finger on it you can feel it. If there is no suction there, that is your problem and you need to clean the injectors. I'll show you on the next video how to do that. Okay, so we've found that we've got no brine draw, and so what we need to do is clean out the injectors. And if you have a look at the side of this part here, you'll see that we've got two screws, and these are the screws that reveal the injector system. So we need to undo those two screws. A bit hard holding the phone and doing it at the same time, so just bear with me. Okay, I've taken the two screws out, and now we should be able to, oh, I forgot to mention, before you do any of this, make sure you turn the water supply off, because water will leak out if you don't turn the water supply off. Okay, so just grab that, and this part comes off. This is the injector cover, and you can see there's an O-ring on there. Need to keep that in place. And then if we look inside, we can see the white injector, and we need to unscrew that. Okay, again a bit tricky when you're holding the phone, so I'll just pause this. Okay, so I've undone the injector and out it comes, but this is only part one of the injector. There are two parts, and we need to put a screwdriver inside there and remove the second part. Okay, I've unscrewed it and you can see it in there. You need to get it out somehow or other. Maybe you can use a bit of paper clip or something. Here it comes, it's out now. That filter can go back in the bottom, and so that's the second part that we got out. We need to make sure that the hole through the middle is clear. Okay, like that. And the first part that we took out, we need to make sure that's clear as well. It's a much smaller hole, so you might be able to get away with just taking the first part out if you have a look and that's blocked up. Poke a paper clip through the hole or a pin or something to make sure it's clear, and then put all those parts back in. Turn your water supply on, make sure your valve is in the brine and rinse position, and then check and feel, see if you've got vacuum there. If you have, you've fixed the problem, and the water level should go down in your water softener and everything should be fine.